Okay, so looking at starting to get ready for our little trip up to Mount Perry for the 4-wheel drive Queensland annual Corroboree. I think this year is the 20th anniversary. Got to start getting the camper trailer ready. Got to start getting the ute ready. So that's just about most of the stuff packed, and Michelle is just sorting out the last bits. This is her domain, even though she's our winged pigeon at the moment. There's the golden child. Becca Vane, I hope your car's as clean and shiny.
Hide the rum.
That's not good enough. That's not good enough. That's not good enough. That's not good enough. That's not good enough.
I love women. Drinks all around. I love women. Drinks all around. I love women. I love women. I love women. I love women.
Tammy's already sizing up.
Oh yeah. That.
Oh!
Yeah, that's going on my ice cream when I get home.
Rum and cola jerky. Chris has managed to find himself a drink.
Why is the rum gone? Why is the rum gone?
So ladies, what'd you get?
Two of the tropical rum, because I love my
Yeah, we've tried the coffee and chocolate. Well, we're going to try this. We've got the coffee and chocolate. I haven't tried it yet, but it sounds like I have.
And then the sauce.
Oh,
Yeah, I've got
yes.
some of that. My ice. And then look at this one over here. And oh my god!
Karen is outdoing people at the moment.
Yeah.
Mind you, hang on a minute. We didn't do the veins. They've got cases.
Burn all the food, the shade, the rum. Burn all the food, the shade, the rum.
Yes, the rum is gone.
Drinking stop number 2.
I am a cider drinker. I drink till I'm dead.
Cheers.
I am a cider drinker. It soothes all my troubles away. It's so cozy in the kitchen with the smell of rabbit stew. When the breeze blows across the farmyard, you can smell the cow shed too. God. When those combine wheels start turning.
Nice little spot for lunch on the river. Oh yes, we do. And no, fair bit of gin. The smell. Here we are at Calicky Moon. Like a price of gin. Cheers. That's the premium. Yep. And now the navy spec. Oh, yeah. We're getting one of these, maybe one of those as well. So, little gin distillery tour.
Yeah.
How much did you think of it?
Quite nice, very nice, actually.
Oh, I know it was.
Yeah.
Any favourites?
Well, I did like the chocolate. How about we just sort of turn this around, Andy, and tell us what you get.
I got 2 bottles of this because you can't go wrong. It's only 57%, so
Only?
yeah, and some elderflower tonic. So tonight, gin and tonic. Oh, can't wait.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Oh, look, there's a car there. That's how you set up for the afternoon. There you go, isn't it? Just like me. It's really like me.